Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to the new lecture. Today, our topic is photosynthesis, which is a life sustaining process, which means that the photosynthesis serves as a food not only for plants but for the entire life, for the entire living organisms on the planet Earth. Therefore, all living organisms directly or indirectly depends on photosynthesis for food and energy. So, therefore, photosynthesis is actually referred to as a life sustaining process. In the first lecture, we have studied that the two main processes involving energy transformation in living organisms are photosynthesis and respiration. So in this lecture, we will briefly study the process of, or you may say, introduction to photosynthesis, that what is meant by photosynthesis. Now coming into the meaning of photosynthesis, so you already know that the word photosynthesis is the combination of two Greek words. Photo means light, while synthesis means to manufacture or to prepare or to make. As this is the process by which green plants make or prepare their own food in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Now coming into its definition, how can we define photosynthesis? So photosynthesis is the process by which the green plants make their own organic food, that is carbohydrates or glucose, from inorganic nutrients like carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. The process by which green plants make their own organic food, glucose, from inorganic nutrients like carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. Or in simple words, the process by which green plants make or prepare their own food is called photosynthesis, and this is the definition which you already know from previous classes. Now coming into important definition of photosynthesis. An important definition of photosynthesis is that photosynthesis is a redox reaction. Redox reaction means oxidation reduction process. So first you know about oxidation and reduction, that what is oxidation? You already know that the loss of hydrogen or electrons during a chemical reaction is called oxidation. The loss of hydrogen or electron is called oxidation, while the gain of hydrogen or electron is called reduction. So photosynthesis is a redox reaction, which means oxidation reduction process. That is, it involves both oxidation reduction process. Photosynthesis is a redox reaction, oxidation reduction process, in which the oxidation of water and reduction of CO2 into carbohydrates take place, in which the oxidation of water and reduction of CO2 into carbohydrates. So as it involves oxidation reduction, so we can say that photosynthesis is actually a redox process involving oxidation reduction reactions, in which the oxidation of water and reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrates or glucose take place. Now this is the overall reaction of photosynthesis, and we will explain this important definition of photosynthesis with the help of overall reaction of photosynthesis. The overall reaction of photosynthesis shows that in photosynthesis 6 carbon dioxide molecules combine with 12 molecules of water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, making an organic food molecule, which is actually a 6 carbon hexose sugar, monosaccharide sugar, that is glucose C6H12O6. Oxygen is evolved as a byproduct and 6 water molecules are also produced as a product, right? Before moving into the explanation of this overall reaction, you must recall from previous class that you know that the process of photosynthesis completes in two main steps. One is called light reaction. The step of photosynthesis which requires direct energy of sunlight is called light reaction, or it is also known as light dependent reaction. And the step of photosynthesis that does not require direct energy of sunlight is called dark reaction. It is also known as Calvin cycle. So these are the two main reactions of photosynthesis: light reaction and dark reaction, or you may say Calvin cycle. So as we studied in the definition that photosynthesis is actually oxidation reduction process, a redox reaction, a redox process in which the oxidation of water. So in the first step of photosynthesis, which is actually light reaction, the oxidation of water takes place. That is, the hydrogen molecules are removed, and the loss or removal of hydrogen is called oxidation. So the hydrogens are removed and oxygen is formed or evolved as a byproduct in the first step of photosynthesis, which is light reaction. So this is the oxidation of water into oxygen. In the second step, that is the dark reaction, the reduction of CO2 takes place into glucose, into 6 carbon sugar glucose. So these hydrogen are taken up or gained by carbon dioxide. So it is reduced into into glucose, a hexose sugar, a 6 carbon sugar. So this overall reaction shows that photosynthesis is actually an oxidation reduction process in which water molecule is oxidized and carbon dioxide is reduced into carbohydrates. And like photosynthesis, remember, respiration is also a redox process which involves oxidation reduction reactions, which we will study later on. So again, that photosynthesis is a redox reaction, that is oxidation reduction process in which oxidation of water and reduction of CO2 into carbohydrates or glucose take place, right? Now if you look into this reaction further, so this line shows that carbon dioxide and water, these are the reactants, these are the raw materials used in photosynthesis. What are reactants? That are those materials which are written on the left side of the arrow. This is arrow. These are written on the left side of the arrow. This is left side, while this is the right side of the arrow. Are those materials which are used for the reaction. They are called reactants. So carbon dioxide and water molecules, these are the reactants, are raw materials used in photosynthesis, while glucose, oxygen and water, these are the products. Those materials formed from the reactants are the materials which are indicated, are written on the right side of the arrow. They are generally known as the products. So this was a brief introduction to photosynthesis, that what is meant by photosynthesis, and later on we will discuss it in detail. Thank you.